Hello, I'm Marty McDivitt with South Haven RV Marine, and this is going to be a walk around on the 2020 Imagine 2600 RB. To start with today, these are your propane tanks right here, and you fill them up, it runs your heat and all your propane appliances. And what you do is you have a switch right here. You can turn them to your left or your right tank. You can run them in the middle but I would never do that because you're running both tanks out at the same time. They both go empty. So I'd either run it all the way to the left till that tank runs out and then switch it all the way to the right. And that way you can fill up your other tank that's empty and you'll never have any issues. It comes with the batteries prepped right here that we put in up on delivery during the PDI, and it's a backup battery system. It fully charges the system when you don't have any power to plug into. In the front, what we have is the power tongue jack, which makes it real easy for loading and unloading. It has your safety chains and your 6-foot coil spring safety brake lock up here. It has a 5 2/16 inch ball on there, and it will just it tows wonderfully with this thing. It also has, on the Imagine, what they do is the LED lighting strips right here. They have the rock plate that comes up here, the black diamond coated up to here, and they've also, what they've done is a rough texture paint like you see in most bed liners, anti-skid, for an extra added protection that comes around here against rock chips and things of that sort. When you come around to the side of it, what you'll notice is the storage door is 24% larger than any other any other type brands we sell. It has the magnetic lock on top that you just touch it. You notice how the door is not flimsy like other campers. It's a thick insulated door. You have a full pass-through storage unit. It's 47 cubic feet, which is at the industry's best right now. Then you have right here, you'll have the two to use to lower your leveling system jacks on all 4 corners. What I suggest is to get a drill, a cordless drill, get a little socket on it, and that's what everyone does, and it just touch it, and it's something you can do in about 30 seconds. Also, it has motion detector lights when you saw it open the door. And this door ain't like most where it's magneted. You can set it right here, just lock shut, perfect. On the back, on the side here, we have your power awning, which is a touch of a button, it just opens up. It has LED lighting underneath it, has your outdoor waterproof speaker system here, and all the glass in this unit is 80% tinted safety glass in every window in this camper. The whole side of it is laminated. It's not a stick and tin. It's built with aluminum, all aluminum structure with laminate siding, and also the top of the motorhome is insulated double. The belly and the bottom of the camper is insulated double. The front's insulated double. Right here you have your 110 power outlet, have your cable inlet right there. This right here is your stove vent. Right here, I suggest putting they got a little screen up there. It's probably like $10, and it just keeps bugs or anything from getting in here. So it's like a safety feature. This right here, this is your vent for your microwave. This is your vent for your refrigerator. They also have a 5-year warranty on their tires. They're speed rated at 75 miles an hour, so you won't have any problem with the wheels and tires on this. They have one of the best warranties in the market. This right here is your water inlet for your water source to fill your tanks up and run your sink, your kitchen, and all your water you need. We also, on this particular rig, we have aluminum steps on it. They're a little lighter than steel, and they're just a nicer setup. You also have your spray inlet right here, so you can use water, air, or additional propane hookup also. And you have your LED lights back here in your jack. All right, as we come around to the back of the motorhome, the camper, what you'll notice back here is an all full LED lighting system. Your LED lighting system down here that have backup lights, they'll turn white in here when you get ready to back up. This is your hot water heater, easy access. You can never have any problems with your pallet light going and stuff, but they give us very few problems, so you'll be good to go there. This also has your 80% tinted safety glass windows, which are all the way around, full spare tire, and you also have this thing is backup camera prepped. So all you got to do is put your it's already prepped, already wired. If you prefer, you want a backup camera, you can buy one of them. There's 4 screws you pop out right there, and she's ready to go. This is a 30 amp service on this particular unit. Plug-in is really simple. You plug it in, power it up to a power source. Trailer's fully equipped. You have a ladder here. It's 300 pounds rated, and on the roof, it is a TPI solid piece roof. So this thing comes with a 12-year warranty, which is unheard of in its class, against leaks and factory defections. But it's like I said, it's a TPO solid system, 12-year warranty, and they put the ladder on the back of here because they don't mind you going up there. If it wasn't safe to be up there, they wouldn't put a ladder on the back. We have a license plate breaker with light for your lights at night to see the license plate on it. And all right, let's come on around to this side over here. You notice right here, we also have the tank release that you drain your gray and your black water out of. When you pull up to a sewer, they'll have a hose that hooks on here. You just undo this cap. Then you'll reach under the vehicle. You have your gray tank right here. And I don't know if you can make sure you can get a shot of that over there. You have your gray tank over here and your black tank here. You have the light that shines on at night if you're coming under, where you can visibly see everything well in the dark. Your slide right here is a large slide on rails. They're steel rails. It doesn't use cables. It's on the rail grid system. And of course you can see the windows all the way around this vehicle as well. The same windows we talked about earlier, 80% tinted. All right, and right here on the wet bay, we have your universal docking system all in one right here, easy to get to. You have your 110 outlet right there, all your TV hookups, your disconnect. Here's simple to get to, more fresh water thing, and you have a one switch freshwater tank or city water, whichever you own, just flip it. You also have an outdoor shower outlet or water source, whichever you prefer to use. This has your full pass-through also, as we saw on the other side. The thick door, not like on some other campers, just thick, insulated, magnetized, and it just shuts at the drop of a thing. Then we also have, this trailer is equipped with solar wiring. It's already pre-wired for solar. You'd have to pick up some solar panels, plug it in. Then if your battery fails or something, you let the sun do the work for you. Now let's go take a look at the inside. All right, as we go inside the camper, you're going to notice it has the aluminum stealth system, which is lighter, not like the steel ones, a lot heavier. It has a safety bar for added support for getting in and out. When you open the door, it's a friction hinge door, so the wind's not going to get this thing like one. It's also magnetized back here, so it holds it open. This unit also comes equipped with the screen door, keep the bugs out at night if you want to leave the door open, let the fresh air in. Well, all right, come on inside, let's take a look in here. All right, we have your control panel right here, motion sensor lighting system. It has everything's really so self-explanatory right here. Has your ceiling lights, your exterior light buttons, your water pump, gas or electric. Like I said, the propane runs electric. If you have, propane runs the gas, you have a button to switch to electric out there if you have a plug-in power. You have your awning slide, which is a power, simple, retract, extend, as well as the large slide on it. You just a push button, sliding in. Then you have your full battery testers. You can just test your battery, you know, how much fresh water you have, where your tanks are, your large tanks on this, your black and, you know, your 2 gray water tanks. Push the button and see if they're empty, half full, or full. And it's just all self-explanatory, and another great setup they've come up with to make it easy as pie for anyone to do. Now let's move to the bedroom. Check it out. All right, now we're in the bedroom. You have your TV backer right here to mount your bracket. You have your cable hookups here and your 110 outlet right here. So you can put your bracket right there, and the TV will flex where you can watch anywhere you want to. Also, right here in the wall, you have a 35,000 BTU heating system where the vents are all on the wall. They're not on the floor. That way it keeps the debris out of it and the dirt, and it's a lot safer way to run things. Right here, you'll notice every window in there is doing it, but since I'm here, it has your full blackout shades. Block out all the light for complete privacy. Then as we come over here to the clothes closet, it's a shirt closet. You can hang all your clothes in there. It has a 110 outlet also down here. Then up here you have your cabinetry. This is the same housing cabinetry, same hinges, double-sided paneling, which make for a better cabinet. Then you'll see on the bed, here you have a queen size residential bed with the padded headboard to make it feel like home. And then on this side of the unit, you'll have another closet, duplicate for clothing and etc. And then as you scroll down, you'll notice that you have your ports for your phones, another 110 outlet, so it's computer friendly also. And then it also has storage under the bed, so you can store a lot of clothes, suitcases, bigger items as you're traveling to make it more user friendly for the family. All right, now let's move into the kitchen area. As we come in here, you'll notice your refrigerator, 7 cubic feet. Great size freezer, refrigerator, easier opening, lock mechanism on the door, so when you're traveling down the road, they don't be coming open on you. You step over here, you'll see your residential, good size microwave for a camper, stainless steel, high point appliance. Then this unit also has the stove, which has a 20-inch stove down below. It has the gas burning grid on top, but also this is a cover for safety reasons when you're traveling, but it also makes into a backsplash when you're cooking, so you don't splash the grease up on the wall or get everywhere, so just like it is home. You'll notice the same glass-backed cabinets here, residential side, double paned, solid countertop surface. Industry's leading stainless steel large oversized sink with the full faucet just at home, pull around faucet you can use. Also extra outlets in the wall, so you never have any problem with powering up those coffee pots or anything. If you run out of room, we give you an extra cabinetry to stock anything, use it for storage, whatever you do. It's real simple. Grab it, let it down, it's out of your way like that. And it's just a great little functional camper. And okay, now let's go to the dining area. And what you have here is what they call the U-booth. This truck will actually, this table actually comes out, and it's designed to where you can adjust the legs here to make it set level, where you can have 8 persons slide all the way around this camper right here, which is also, no one else in the industry does that besides Imagine. Then you can slide it away if you just want to use it as a 4-person, but it just gives you that option. All right, if you'll notice the cabinets down here, they have storage underneath them. They've utilized every nook and cranny for this storage. They also, if you'll notice, their fit and finish that they've done on this camper is just above and beyond everyone else. You don't see any loose ends. You don't see any flaws in the wood. You don't grab it and splinters don't run in your finger. It's actually ready to go. All right, let's go into the bathroom area next. Extremely large door. Great, easy accessible and everything. So come on in here and let's take a look around here. Okay, what we have here is the ceiling vent and fan to get all the humidity out of the shower for you, to keep the air clear in there. And we have your air conditioner vent on the left. That's like a central type heat and air unit. It runs fully the whole unit. Then we have your medicine cabinets, which is a huge double bay area for all your medicine and needs. Extremely large countertop in a bathroom for a motorhome with a porcelain sink, nickel plated faucet, just so the feelings are home. You have your 110 outlets on both sides of the wall for easy access. Large storage unit, vanity type, just like at home there again, for the towels and all your toothpaste and your utensils. This thing is equipped with actually a porcelain toilet with the foot valve release on it for just, and huge room on both sides. So just so you feel like at home. Also in the shower, what you'll have in the shower is the skylight for the added headroom for our taller customers. And which then you'll see the shower is just huge, just like at home. That's what they're trying to make the comforts. It's a residential type shower. And you'll see now there's your full faucets with the hand sprayer. just a deluxe package for a camper with the drain system, and then it has a heating on the floor system with also access for your drain for any maintenance that needs to be done. All right, as we go slip on into the living room here, as I'm gonna go to the living room area with you, the first thing I'm gonna show you is the air conditioner unit real quick. It's a Whisper Quiet 15,000 unit with, it also has this, it uses like central heat and air technology. It has the vents throughout the camper. It doesn't have floor vents, so dirt and grime get in them. It has the vents throughout the camper, so it heats and so it cools all the way across evenly, which does a great job, which is better than the old units used to have just air blast right out of here, and this is the only place it stayed cool. So this is a new, and it's so much quieter than the older ones. If you look at the entertainment center right here, what you have is the 32-inch television. It's just any angle you want to watch this thing, you can watch it. It's fully swivelable, locks in place for traveling where it won't move around. You have your DVD system, sound system right here. You can listen to the radio, football games, whatever you prefer. Has speaker systems in the ceiling. It also has speakers outside the camper, so you can listen to it inside, or you can listen to it outside, or you can listen to it both places if you like. Then you have your large storage cabinet again for anything you need to take with you, DVD, movies, anything that you want to do. It has your another heating vent here, where like I said, the thing it heats and cools evenly. This is some of their technology they use. Then you have your fuse panel here, and what it does is it just has easy access to all your fuses. If you have any problems blowing fuse, they hadn't hid it from you. Easy access to get to it. Then on your refrigerator, what we have is two more storage doors. Just tried to utilize the storage system on here because that's the main thing. And this unit's also it's a little bonus equipped for the little furry friends we bring with us. Pet drawers. Keep out of the way when the pets want something to drink or eat. You can slide them out. I mean, I think every home needs one of these. But now we'll walk over here to the theater seating area, the living room area. And what I like about it, it's Thomas Paine collection. It's not cheap furniture. It's just extremely comfortable. It has heated seating. It lights. It vibrates. And I mean, it's just one of their deals they're trying to do is get a close to home feeling as you get, and it just, I don't know, my house recliners don't feel this good. And also has the ports on the wall for your phone. They've tried to generate everything where you can do everything from here. And it's just I mean, this is extremely comfortable. They've even, if you notice, the carpet has been sanitized for pet and Scotch guarded to keep away from the, the accidents the pets might cause in here. But it's Scotch guarded away from those pets where you can easy clean up. And it's just a great camper, and I hope you've enjoyed my walk around on the 2600 RB. And if you can, come down here and give us a call at South Haven RV and Marine. And my name is Marty McDivitt, and I appreciate you.